The dedication of medical staff and cancelled weddings have both been recurring themes during the coronavirus crisis. The story of nurse Jann Tipping and Dr. Annalan Navaratnam involves both. They were excited about getting married in London in August, but realised family and friends would not be able to travel from their hometowns in Northern Ireland and Sri Lanka. So they brought the wedding forward, downsized it and held it at work. Well, in a very nice building at work.
It wasn't the wedding they'd planned, but these medics, experiencing the threat of Covid-19 on the front line, felt more than ever they needed to make their commitment to one another official.
We saw friends catch COVID, we saw relatives catch it. We knew that it's very hard to predict who'll become seriously unwell. And it seemed to us that to wait and put it off, there's no certainty that that day may ever come.
I know, but I wouldn't want to leave this world without knowing that I'm married to Jann. So it was really important to us, yeah.
Jann is an ambulatory clinical nurse specialist at St Thomas's Hospital, while Annalan is an acute medical registrar there. They had planned to get married this summer, but the pandemic interrupted. Fearing for the health of their families and themselves, rather than delay, they were desperate to bring their ceremony forward and got special permission to hold it in the chapel of the hospital where they work.
It does feel a bit surreal to go in every day to a place where you got married, but also you work. So I got to say, when I walk past the chapel, you do feel a little bit of a tingle, but I can't help but smile.
With none of their 200 planned guests, Jann didn't have her bridesmaids or her father to walk her down the aisle, but their families could watch it all on Zoom.
They dressed up like they were going to a wedding. My sister had drinks from the morning like they were going to a wedding. My dad gave his speech. We did our first dance on Zoom.
What about honeymoon? Did you get a few days off work?
We were back on Monday.
No, we're back in on Monday.
Yeah.
So are you looking forward to a honeymoon when all this is over? And if so, where to?
Yeah, I think we've got a bit of saving up to do for it first, and then we'll see.
At a time when hospitals have witnessed so much loss, so many partings, this a rare and much needed moment of union. Rebecca Barry, News at 10.
It's something to make us all feel a bit better. Good night. Thanks for watching.